Wow. That is gorgeous. Hi everyone, Adam here from Expert Zone UK and I with another unboxing of one of Samsung's 2020 range of Windows 10 laptops. Today, we're going to be looking at this one. This is the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex. It is a 2-in-1 Windows 10 laptop. So without further ado, let's get it out of the box. Firstly, we have the box itself. This is a very simple, very clutter-free style. Just the Samsung logo on the front. You've got your laptop information on the side here. Absolutely nothing on the back at all. It's a very clean looking box. So clean, in fact, that we have no need to look at it any longer. So let's get it open. Okay, here we go. This is the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex. This one, I can see already, is in royal blue. There is a royal silver finish version that you can get as well. It's entirely aluminium. Let's get it out, shall we? It's like opening a letter. It's great. It's the best letter I've ever had. God, that was a cheesy joke. Ignore it. Don't unsubscribe because of that, jeez. Oh my God. Wow, that is gorgeous. We're going to take a lot more to look at this in just a moment. I'm going to put that to one side just for now because we need to quickly cover off what's inside the box itself. But my God, that is gorgeous. We have our quick start guide in here in our fancy little envelope box itself. There you go. There's all your quick start information. Lovely stuff. And then it's pretty simple in this one. We just have our proper adapter here. This is a USB-C adapter with a UK plug. Of course, this will range in terms of region. But of course, because we've got a USB-C plug, this does mean you can charge up the device via USB-C with other means as well. So like if you've got a powerful enough travel adapter, just make sure that you have the correct wattage as well, because you can kill your battery that way. So we never want that. Last little bit down here is a lovely little adapter for USB-C to USB-A. So if you do need an additional USB-A plug-in, there you go. You've got your solution right out of the box. Beautiful, that's nice and easy. Let's get rid of that and bring back the star of the show, because oh my God. It's simply just gorgeous. This is a fully aluminium body. It has diamond cut lines around the entire chassis. It is frankly amazing. Let's open it up here and get rid of this. Oh my God. This is of course a 2-in-1, so we can't put it completely flat. The hinge, that is nice and smooth. That is a really nice hinge on that actually, going all the way to a 2-in-1 kind of tablet style if you want to. This itself as well, it weighs in at just 1.16 kilograms. And as I say, this is also available in royal silver as well. Now, before we properly look at the inside, we do need to cover off the ports. So we have over on this side a USB-C and a headphone jack. There is also space for an SD card slot as well. If we flip this over, we have 2 more USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports. So these 2 are Thunderbolt 3, the one on the other side is regular USB-C, and we also have the S Pen as well, which just pops out of there. That is rather wonderful. You've also got your power button and then your holes for your speakers and such like that. Let's open this up again, and just from spec, this screen is Samsung all over. What we have here is a 13.3-inch Full HD QLED display. It is a touchscreen as well, of course, as you have access to that S Pen. And the fact is, it's Samsung, right? You know this is going to be a gorgeous screen without even having to turn it on. We will, of course, be turning it on and doing full overview in a future video, so make sure you subscribe to that one. Elsewhere, we have an Intel Core i5 processor with Iris Plus graphics, which I'm very intrigued to look at. This is Intel's new way of doing internal graphics without the need for an external graphics card. So I'm quite interested to see how capable that is for certain tasks. You've also got a 720p webcam up here for all your video conferencing needs. So yeah, you should be pretty good and set up. Now, if we look at this pen again that we mentioned earlier, the S Pen pops out the side here. This, I believe, is the same S Pen that they use with their Galaxy Note mobile phone series. It is, of course, fully Windows Ink supported, and you have a number of gesture controls that you can use it as well, which is compatible with things like PowerPoint, where you can move in slides or use it as a pointer just by pressing a button and waving it around, which is super cool. Really looking forward to giving that a go. Other than that, the speakers are AKG stereo speakers once again. I believe you do have dual stereo microphones on this as well, but that is that. That is the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex. We have unboxed it. We will be doing a full overview video of this device, so make sure you are subscribed and get the bell on to be notified of when that launches. We're going to be doing the same with the Galaxy Book S that we've unboxed already. There is a link in the bio if you want to head to that one. And we've got one more unboxing video to come where we'll look at the Galaxy Book Ion. So that has been that. See you around.